Geez, welcome. Little beard mail unboxing. This will also be up on YouTube in early January. If people join. Got some interesting beard mail to unbox. This is from Amazon from a company called Viking because I needed some new beard wash and conditioner. I couldn't find any other Canadian small companies that sold it, and I also didn't want to pay the US shipping cost and wait like 2 or 3 weeks for the shipping, so I just found something that had pretty decent reviews on Amazon. Viking Revolution. So this is their beard conditioner kit. So it's got balm, oil, wash, conditioner, and a comb. It cost me I think $29 on Amazon. Got here in one day. It's pretty cool. Let's check this out. So this is a sandalwood scent. Shaving so far still in use though. Huh? Fair enough. Cool. So that's what you get in the box. So you get the wash, 5-ounce wash, 5-ounce conditioner with argan and jojoba oil. Just really solid ingredients. And you get a cool sticker. Thank you for choosing Viking Revolution. Little contact card. You get beard balm. Good deal. Yeah, well, that remains to be seen. I will be testing these out and reviewing them. But yeah, based on the Amazon reviews so far, this seems to be pretty impressive. So let's give this oil a look. All right, let's see here. So there's the oil, pretty thin. Interesting scent for sure, definitely woodsy. Not my favorite scent, but not bad overall. And for $30 with an oil balm and a comb and the washing conditioner, it's and it makes for because I'm gonna do some product photos and I'm gonna post this unboxing. I'll do a review. So even if it's not great, it's only $30 and it's a bunch of content. So definitely worth it. There's the beard balm. That's what it looks like. It smells like a nice kind of soapiness to it. With like a hint of woodsy. I'm interested to see test out the hold with that. You get fairly basic dual tooth wooden comb. The logo on it. Go. Yep. And then you get, like I mentioned earlier, the washing conditioner. Yeah, I definitely like the design on this bottle. Pretty cool, for sure. Yeah, how you doing, Rusty? Let me know. You seem to be saw that you got some beard mail today or yesterday. Beard mail is always exciting. So yeah, to get this cool box as well. You get the wash conditioner. You get wooden comb, dual tooth, a 1-ounce balm for around $30 Canadian off Amazon. So the ingredients in the balm: argan oil, jojoba oil, eucalyptus globus leaf, beeswax, vitamin E, sandalwood seed oil. Pretty cool ingredients. Organic cold pressed and refined jojoba oil, pure organic pretty simple ingredients on the kind of a Peaky Blinders feel of the package. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, with like the woodsy kind of like vintage kind of looking. Yeah, I like it. Definitely gonna be doing some cool product photos with this stuff. Probably after I get off here. Yeah, so thanks everybody for joining live, and also thanks for watching on YouTube. If this goes live, probably end of January, just based on my schedule of the videos that I've done so far. Yeah, and then in 2021, I'm going to be trying to stick to a podcast on Mondays, a unboxing on Wednesdays, and then a review on Fridays. Yeah, I'm trying to get a bunch of videos done over the next little while in between semesters, so that I can be caught up on that, because school is going to be busy. I got one more semester of business marketing. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. Back with more soon.